Hello everyone and welcome to the University of Salford and the start of your MBA studies. My name is Kate Wynne and I work within the apprenticeship team as a project officer, and during this video I'll explain learning on day one and why we need to complete this task. So as a training provider, it's essential that we're compliant with the government regulations. You'll have already submitted several documents as part of the due diligence to onboard you onto your apprenticeship programme. Once you have registered and officially become a student, we now need to complete your learning on day one. This is a good opportunity to remind you that if you haven't done so already, you must register before Monday the 30th to have access to the system. So please, to ensure that that day goes smoothly, register. So what do we mean by learning on day one? What it isn't is your academic teaching day. So we are expected to evidence structured learning in place on the first day that your programme begins. So your programme start date is Monday the 30th of November, and this is when we need to record evidence that you're learning. It cannot be before or after this date, and this is stipulated in the funding guidelines from the ESFA. So how your programme is set up on the student database, the start of your programme is the 30th of November. And your timetabled start of your lectures is on the Thursday. Okay, so your first day of teaching is Thursday the 3rd of December, and that's from 1 till 8 p.m, and you must be in attendance online. Why are we doing this? So if we don't evidence and record your learning on day one, we will be non-compliant and the government will claw back funds from the university. So how are we going to do it? So during this video, I'll guide you through the steps needed to complete the Learning on Day 1 task. You'll complete a pre-quiz using the Salford University email address. You'll receive this when you register, so this is why it's so important to register before the Monday the 30th. We'll then take you through the part 1 in the first instance. There are part 2 and part 3, but all we're concerned about today is just the part 1. Okay, so let's begin. So this is the page that we've created to take you through your tasks. Bit here to explain and to reiterate what I've gone through on the video. And there's the video itself. Okay, so step 1, pre-learning quiz. Let's get started. So take yourselves through here. As mentioned, once you've registered, you'll receive your student email address. Please don't use your personal one because we need your student email address in here because that's how we will pull reports just to see how your progress is and that you have actually completed these tasks. So this will take like 10-20 seconds. Once you've submitted, then it will take you back around to this page where you will do the 6 e-learning nuggets. On average, are about 10 minutes each. So all in all, end to end to do this process, it's about an hour and a half. So grab that cup of coffee, and hope you enjoy it as well. Hope you find it interesting. So once you've done your e-learning nuggets, then you'll be taken through to the main quiz, the main event. And you can't see it on here because I've already submitted mine as a test. So once you've done your quiz, then submit your answers. I'll take you back to the main screen. So through the academic year, I'll be in touch with you again just to cover part 2 and part 3 off. This again is really good evidence for the university that you're engaging in a different way as well. And obviously when we get audited as a university, this is really good evidence that we can use as well. So if you have any problems or any queries, don't hesitate to give me a call. I'm Kate. So it's 0161 295 3063 or the apprenticeships email address, which is apprenticeships@salford.ac.uk. So you'll meet me on Monday the 30th of November. I'll be with Jonathan Lord and several other colleagues I think will be joining, but I'll take you through the learning on day 1 again, and then we'll be pulling reports throughout the day, as I say. So if you've got any problems with engagement, then we'll be following up with you. I'd suggest if you can get it done in the morning, and then because I'm fully aware that how long your day is going to be as well. And yeah, I'll be online through the evening, and there to pick up any queries that you have. So thanks very much for engaging. Thanks very much for helping us be compliant as your chosen training provider, and all the very best in your studies. Thank you very much for listening. Take care. Bye.